students, I'm here at the water with Bella Vegan Dog. She's having a great time again. And as usual, I'm going to ask you to try to see here at the dog park, which dogs do you think are vegan besides Bella? Bella's been vegan since August 2017. And her pee is fine, her poo is fine, her blood work is fine. She's a completely normal dog. Do you think that this dog here is vegan? They both have their tails up in the air. They're both wagging. They're both around the same size. Bella shakes just like any other dog would. They're curious. This dog here is eating some grass. They're trying to eat some of the seaweed. That dog's vegan? Bella, shake, shake, shake. Some people are worried that Bella might not be okay, but I can assure you that she is totally fine. She's been vegan, like I said, since August 2017, and she is normal in every way. She runs like any other dog. She jumps like any other dog. She can swim also, but the water here is actually quite shallow, so it's more about jumping into the water. Do you think that this brown dog here is vegan? One with the red collar. What do you think? How would you tell? What would be the criteria that you're looking for? Would you look for a dog that, I imagine you probably think that a vegan dog would be weaker, but it's not true. So you see the ball got thrown, and you see Bella's the first one out there. She's quite far. She's normal, in other words. Bella's normal. She's the same as every other dog. She loves to do the same things as they do. And so I'm encouraging you to feed your dog only vegan food. Why pay for murder if you don't have to? Do not kill any other animals for another animal. There is no reason to kill chickens, cows, and pigs, and lambs. All animals should be able to live as happily as these dogs. Right now on trucks there are pigs being sent to slaughter. They will be murdered today for bacon. It's absolutely horrific what we do in this society. People don't realize it. It's essential that you watch the documentary Dominion Movement, Earthlings, Cowspiracy and Seaspiracy, as well as Forks Over Knives. If you're interested in vegan athletes, you can go and watch The Game Changers. There are many vegans in the Olympics, for example.
Oh, thank you. You brought the ball.
If this was a mini island that we were on right now, which dog do you think that we should kill to feed to the other dogs? Do you think that we should kill this one or this one? How about this black one? What about the little one? Should we kill the little one and feed this dog to everyone? Or should we kill one of the big ones? Or how about, what if I told you that way over there beyond that tree, there was a big bag of vegan dog food? Then, would you agree that it's okay to feed your dog vegan dog food? How would you kill these dogs exactly if you thought, well, you know, that vegan teacher abuses her dog, so it's really important that I teach her a lesson and feed her dog some animals. Which of these dogs would you kill? And how would you do it? Would you grab a stick? Or would you take one of these rocks and smash it over one of these dogs' heads to make sure that my dog Bella eats meat today? How ridiculous. You all know it's ridiculous. Every single one of you who has a dog should stop immediately buying the dog food that you're buying and buy vegan dog food. Because you know that murder is wrong. There's no excuse for animal abuse. The animal holocaust never ended for these poor innocent creatures that are right now on trucks being sent to their murder. Chickens. There are twice as many chickens on the planet as there are humans. Do you know where they are? Hidden from your sight. When you go outside, you see beauty everywhere. Trees, the sky, the water. those animals will never see these places. They go on trucks after being for years in factory farms, unless they are chickens, in which case it is only a few months. Don't eat chicken wings. Don't eat chicken legs. Don't hurt animals. Kind to all kinds. If you need help becoming vegan, go to howdoigovegan.com. Say it again. Howdoigovegan.com. Have a look there. There are recipes. There are articles written to explain to you why you should become vegan. If you need further help, go to the description in my underneath my video, and you can see that there are links there to different vegan cooks. They are ethical vegans. Amazing recipes that they have there. Also on Facebook you can join What Broke Vegans Eat, which is a really great group. A lot of discussion going on there. In order to be able to post at all, you must post a picture of your food before you can even write anything. I find that really cool. That's What Broke Vegans Eat on Facebook. And that's howdoigovegan.com to understand what's going on and why it's so important not to continue to pay into these horrible industries. We are looking for the abolition, complete abolition of the pain and cruelty that we put animals through. This isn't just about one type of animal. It's about ending the exploitation completely. And in the same way that you know it's wrong to be racist, you would not just be racist a few days a week and the other days not racist, right? So, the same logic should follow. Hey, sweetie pie, you ready? Don't be racist all the time. Sometimes people say, well, I do meatless Mondays. That's completely ridiculous. That's like saying, oh, I'm going to be homophobic the other 6 days of the week, but hey, on Mondays, I'm not. If something's wrong, it's wrong, and you end it completely. You don't wait, you start right away. When you're shopping, put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart, because peace begins on your plate. So open up your heart, start now, be brave enough to be vegan. Stand up to the cruel people of this society. Tell everyone everywhere that they should start now to be kind, compassionate, and to give a shit. Coming up on the screen, you're going to see a bunch of other videos. If you haven't yet seen them, go ahead and press on them. Be curious. Oh. She wasn't ready for the wave. Be curious. Press on the videos you haven't yet seen. Go around the site and check out things that I posted a long time ago. Don't forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.